In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Discord app on your computer or laptop. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support us. First, open a new tab in your preferred web browser. Go to google.com and search for Discord. Click on the first result, which should be the official Discord website. Once you're on the Discord website, click the Download for Windows button. After clicking this button, the Discord installer will begin downloading, as you can see here. When the download is complete, double-click the file to open the Discord setup. If you prefer, you can also open your Downloads folder in Windows and double-click the installer file from there. The Discord installer will then start on your computer. Once the installation is finished, the Discord app will open automatically and prompt you to log in. Enter your account details and click Log In. And that's it. The Discord app is now installed and ready to use on your computer or laptop. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel